Welcome back guys in another tutorial. Actually reason this video recording of this video, I have some comments in my previous video, which is how to remove Autodesk educational product in printing. So first comments was, why are you showing this on model space? Can you do on the paper space to see if it's work? First comment is this, and second comment was about 2019 version. mm, Pay video now, sir, please. So, and his another comments was, uh, here this not work in 2019 version. So let's start today, guys. So I have this one affected file. I will show you first, and you can see here I have stamp produced by an Autodesk student version. So I will type dx foot here again, and I will save my file somewhere, as I say before, test file. And again we will type dx fin, and we will open this file. So guys, we have opened already this file, and let's see about stump if it's there or no. So you guys can see it's already removed, and currently I am in here model space. And another question about, is this work in model space, paper space or not. So I will create one layout here. I have created one layout, and now right now I'm here in the layout. I'm in paper space. So now I will make again print, and guys, you can see we have remove also from here this Autodesk stump. I hope guys you like this video. If there's any question about my videos, about any question about the AutoCAD, you can write me down in comment box. I will reply as possible. Thanks for watching.